Congratulations to everyone at the College of Healthcare Professions as we celebrate its 35th anniversary. My name is Eric Bing, and I'm the Chancellor and CEO of the colleges. CHCP began as a unique in-house training academy for the McGregor Medical Association at the world-renowned Texas Medical Center. Its mission was to develop licensed and credentialed allied healthcare professionals. Since its founding, CHCP has maintained this mission to provide students with the knowledge, technical proficiency, and soft skills needed to help secure careers as healthcare professionals.
The College of Healthcare Professions provides pathways for individuals who are interested in developing professional careers in the medical field. We do this through expert instruction, training on real-world equipment, extensive student support, and a career services network of hundreds of employers across the state. What the brand stands for is much more than that. The College of Healthcare Professions brand is really about empowering students to make the most of their careers and have growth not only in their professional careers, but also in their families, communities, and in their lives.
So the classrooms are simulated to be like the medical field, where we have to practice patient privacy, respect, kindness. So when I actually started my job, I felt more comfortable.
I get to experience those moments with students when they have those aha, and they suddenly see the whole concept is clear to them, or a procedure. They shine. I can actually see them shine. And that's a very magical moment for me, and I enjoy that.
Over the years, CHCP has graduated more than 34,000 aspiring professionals in a diverse portfolio of clinical and administrative healthcare programs with over 90% student satisfaction. CHCP is now one of the largest providers of allied health graduates across the state of Texas, with campuses in Houston, San Antonio, McAllen, Austin, Dallas, and Fort Worth, as well as flexible online programs. Our graduates are hired by thousands of healthcare employers.
Medical technology changes incredibly fast in our industry, and as you can imagine, we have to also stay abreast and change with the needs. Fortunately for us, we're able to partner with over 1,500 employers here in the state of Texas that keep us abreast of any changes or needs in the industry.
I see so many of these students on their very first day, and in their faces I can see the self-doubt, the anxiety, the apprehension. But over time, as they become more confident and they learn this, things begin to change in them. And on that very last day at graduation, I have the opportunity to see these students filled with confidence and mainly filled with pride.
Before coming to school, I thought it would be impossible or really hard to get into the medical field because it can be so competitive, but they pretty much opened the opportunity for me to get my foot in the door. And even if I want to move up in the future, I know that I have a good foundation because I came here to CHCP.
I want to thank our staff, faculty, students, and community partners as we celebrate all the contributions to healthcare and economic mobility. We look forward to the future with excitement as to what will be accomplished. Happy 35th anniversary, CHCP.
Happy 35th,
Happy 35th anniversary, CHCP.
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 Happy 35th anniversary,